So I have the jet housing up here in the vise. You can see the broken off jet right down in there. Now it's probably held in there by a whole bunch of dried varnish, gasoline goo, and whatever else that is left behind after gasoline evaporates. So I'm going to take the heat gun and heat it up and bake that stuff out of there. See right there where it's starting to turn to liquid again? That's how I know it's heating up. Alright, we're going to try it right there. I'm going to take our easy out. Tap it down in there. Oh shit. Get a little tighter in the vise. So we're going to take it out of there. Put it on the anvil section. There we go. Clamp it back in the vise. Hopefully the temperature has not equalized. We're going to take the adjustable wrench, the very precision adjustable wrench, ever so carefully try and spin that sucker out of there, and look at that. Just like that. You really shouldn't use an adjustable wrench because it's easy to snap the easy out off on it. But hey, I've been doing this a long time. I cut corners. Either way, throw it up out of there. There is the remnants of our old jet.